CDC's conditional sailing order for cruise lines. Both the state and the CDC were back in federal court today for another injunction hearing. ABC Action News reporter McKenna King has been inside that federal courtroom most of the day. She's live for us now in Tampa with all of the details. McKenna?
Well, Jameson, it started this morning with Judge Steven Merryday calling out the state for making incorrect public statements about mediation. Last week, the governor's office made comments that an impasse had been declared, but Judge Merryday says that is not true and that mediation is ongoing. The hearing then continued with the state making arguments that the CDC's conditional sailing order oversteps their bounds. One of the state's main arguments is that the CDC's requirement of 95% vaccinations in order to avoid simulated cruises is not in line with President Biden's goal of 70% of vaccinated adults in order to reach herd immunity. The state also disagrees with the CDC's definition of an outbreak on a cruise ship, which the CDC defined as 1.5% positivity rate on board a ship. The state argued that percent positivity rate is much lower than on land and is therefore not fair to the cruise lines. The CEO of the CANAVERAL Port Authority was inside the hearing, and he says even though cruise lines are already making plans to return to the water, this lawsuit plays an important part in how quickly that happens.
I will say that the case itself has driven the process along a little faster than it otherwise would have transpired. I'm not so sure the CDC would be working as quickly as they are right now to get the industry back online.
The CDC says they've been working with the industry, and they claim the cruise line reopening is going smoothly and, quote, as expected. They say they're trying to mitigate outbreaks on cruise ships and protect the public from possible outbreaks. They say requiring 95% vaccinations on cruise ships is based on internal CDC models using current transmission rates. Now, Judge Merryday did not give a timeline on how quickly he would make a decision. He said he was hoping to make the right decision and that he was hoping to do that soon. Reporting live in Tampa, McKenna King, ABC Action News.